Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to download Google Chrome app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Google Play Store. Then after, over here you can see at the bottom right search icon. Tap on it and search for Google. Here you can see automatically installed in my phone, so I haven't updated it, so I need to update. So tap on update. In your case, there will be the option of install, then tap on install. Make sure your internet connection is stable for a faster update or installation. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.